The cabin air filter in the 2021 to 2024 Buick Envision is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, empty the glove box. Then press the tabs on the sides to release the glove box, allowing it to hinge down fully. Behind the glove box, you'll find a rectangular filter cover with clips. Remove this cover to access the cabin air filter. Pull out the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrow for proper reinstallation. A vacuum cleaner can be used to clean any debris in the compartment. Remember that some models might need a screwdriver or trim tool. Take your new cabin air filter, such as AC Delco CF173 or equivalent, like Fram CA05524. Insert it into the compartment, ensuring the airflow direction arrow points toward the back of the vehicle. This is crucial to prevent unfiltered air from entering the cabin. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the filter cover. Then, reassemble the glove box by pushing it back into position until the tabs click. Finally, test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow. Buick recommends changing the filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, but consider checking it more often if you drive in dusty or polluted areas. Regular replacement helps maintain AC efficiency and cabin air quality, preventing issues like foggy windows and musty odors.